Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope you are fine. We are continuing with the previous topic, that is the sexually transmitted disease or STDs. Today we have various STDs like genital herpes, chancroid, genital warts. Let's first have some view of the genital herpes. Genital herpes are sexually transmitted diseases caused by type 2 herpes simplex virus HSV2. Genital herpes causes genital infections such as painful genital blisters on the prepuce, glans pens, and penile shaft in males. In females, it causes genital blisters on the vulva or sometimes high up in the vagina. The blisters disappear and reappear in most patients, but the virus itself remains in the body. A related virus, type 1 herpes simplex HSV1, causes cold sores on the mouth and lips. Infected persons typically experience recurrence of symptoms several times a year. Treatment of the symptoms involves painkiller medication, saline compresses, sexual abstinence for the duration of the eruption, and use of oral drug called acyclovir, trade name Zovirax. This drug interferes with the viral DNA replication without host cell DNA replication. Acyclovir speeds up the healing of and sometimes reduces the pain of initial genital herpes infections. Now, next one is chancroid. Chancroid is a sexually transmitted disease caused by the short gram-negative Bacillus Haemophilus ducreyi. The incubation period of chancroid is 3 to 5 days. The initial lesion at the site of inoculation breaks down to form a painful soft ulcer with a necrotic base. With lymph node involvement, fever and chills may occur. Women may have no external signs of infections. Chancroid must be differentiated from other genital ulcers. The chancre of syphilis, by contrast, is clean and painless with a hard base. Now, the treatment for chancroid: at single dose of either azithromycin or ceftriaxone given intramuscularly is very much effective in the treatment of chancroid. Now, another sexually transmitted disease is genital warts. Genital warts are infectious diseases caused by viruses. Sexual transmission of genital warts is common and is caused by the human papillomavirus HPV. Patients with a history of genital warts may be at an increased risk for cervical, vaginal, anal, vulval, and penile cancers. The treatment of the disease consists of cryotherapy with liquid nitrogen, electrocautery, excision, laser surgery, and topical application of podophyllin in tincture of benzoin. Alpha interferon is also used to treat genital warts. PAP smear, also called a pop test, is done as for a screening test for cervical cancer. So this was about these three sexually transmitted or infectious disease: genital herpes, chancroid or chancroid, and genital warts. Thanks. Have a nice day.